Replacing your home's siding isn't a small decision. It's one of the biggest exterior investments most homeowners will ever make. So, one of the most common questions we hear is simple: how long does siding actually last? The short answer is, it depends. While manufacturers publish estimated lifespans, the real-world performance of siding is influenced by three major factors: climate, installation quality, and maintenance. And here in Colorado, those factors matter even more. Because of our high elevation, homes are exposed to stronger UV radiation. Add frequent hailstorms, freeze-thaw cycles, snow, and moisture, and siding in Colorado often doesn't last as long as the national average. So let's break down the most common siding materials and what homeowners can realistically expect. Vinyl siding typically lasts around 60 years nationwide, but in Colorado it can age faster due to UV fading, cracking, and freezing temperatures, and hail damage. It's more affordable up front, but that lower cost often comes with a shorter lifespan. Fiber cement siding is one of the longest lasting options available, with a lifespan of 100 years or more. It's non-combustible, highly impact resistant, and performs exceptionally well in Colorado's climate. Engineered wood composite siding also offers a lifespan of 100 years or more when properly maintained. Unlike traditional wood, it's designed to resist moisture, pests, and weather damage. Stucco siding generally lasts between 50 and 100 years. It's durable and sound resistant, but it's labor-intensive and more expensive. Many homeowners now choose stucco-style alternatives made from fiber cement or engineered materials. Traditional wood siding has the shortest lifespan, typically 20 to 40 years, and requires the most maintenance. In Colorado, UV exposure and moisture often shorten that range even further. Natural stone siding is the most durable option of all, often lasting over 100 years with minimal maintenance. Because of cost, it's commonly used as an accent rather than a full exterior. No matter the material, maintenance plays a huge role in longevity. Even the best siding won't reach its full lifespan without routine inspections and care. When choosing siding, it's important to think long-term, not just about how it looks today, but how it will perform decades from now in Colorado's demanding conditions.